The Ulefone Armor 30 Pro would always be among the most unique 5G rugged phones of all time. It is the first smartphone to feature a super large 3.4-inch rear display. And this isn't the only thing that makes the Armor 30 Pro special. It is also equipped with impressive specs, and they include a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display with an additional 3.4-inch rear display. The device is powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 7300X octa-core processor paired with 16GB RAM that can be virtually expanded up to 32GB and a 512GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB using a micro SD card. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera system consisting of a 50MP main sensor followed by a 50MP ultra wide angle lens and a 64MP night vision camera, while its front-facing camera is 32MP. Now this device is capable of recording up to 4K videos at 30 FPS, which is very impressive. Additionally, the phone packs a massive 12,800 mAh battery, and it supports 66 watts fast charging as well as 10 watts reverse wired charging, which means that you could use this device as a power bank. The phone ships with the Android 14. It is rated IP68 and IP69k. It is also military grade standard 810H certified, which means this device is waterproof, dustproof, and can survive the elements. The phone also features a 118 decibel loudspeaker. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor 30 Pro. If you wish to participate early to be able to get this device for a very affordable price, then make sure to use the links in the video description and comment section. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.